मंत्री श्री मनोहर पर्रीकर यांचे खरेंच आभारी आहात. त्यांची आयज याद येता कित्याक त्यांच्या माध्यमांतल्यानूच ही फायल सोडेक्सोची फुडें गेल्ली. हांव आयज गोंयचे जनतेक तुमच्या माध्यमांतल्यान सांगूं सोदतां की ते जेन्ना लास्ट ते गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान आयिल्ले तेन्ना ते म्हाजे कडेन चर्चा करून ती फायल क्लियर करून तुका दिता म्हणून तेंचे अशी आमची चर्चा जाल्ली. Today, SODEXO is not only going to be a game changer, we are also going to provide in all the hostels of the students, we are going to provide quality nutrition. जे इंटरनॅशनल स्टँडर्डचे जेवण आहा ते आयज आमी आमच्या पेशंटाक दिवपाचो आमी पावल आमी घेतला. गोवा इज द फर्स्ट हॉस्पिटल इन द कंट्री टू हॅव अ टायअप, गव्हर्मेंट इन्स्टिट्यूशन टू हॅव अ टायअप विथ SODEXO. Also, second thing is why people used to get food from out, because they were not happy with the food that was served in Goa Medical College. As the result of which, when I became minister this time, I thought that it is very important for us to see that we give quality food much better than the private sector gives, because nutrition is directly correlated to the recovery of the patient. Hence, we thought this is a dream project for us. This is a soft launch today.
So the menu and the food which is being served by SODEXO would be strictly as per dietitian's recommendation based on patient's clinical condition. So we will have a rotational menu where the patient will get different variety of food, but the calorific value and the nutrition part would be decided by the dietitian.
So you will be supplying kanji also if
dietitian recommends, we will definitely supply.